Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at a model from Otto Models at the 1/18 scale, the BMW E36 Khyzyl, which is a limited edition to 3,000 pieces, and also it was released in green. Of course, this being Otto, it's a resin made model and has no openings, but I have to say the model looks stunning. I really like this wide body kit. Let's start in the front. Everything looks pretty good. The headlights look quite nice. Also, you have a spare BMW emblems in the package. The front splitter looks quite nice. Next, we have the wheels. Again, looking very good. We have a M badge here. And look at this back rims. They look amazing. Next, we have the wing in the back. We have again the BMW logo, and also we have the two exhaust and this big diffuser and the F1 style stop light. Underneath the model, not that many details. We have them numbered. This is 2630 out of 3000. And let's check the interior as much as we can. The interior looks pretty good. We have the Recaro seats there, and also a lot of details on the dash and on the center console. I don't know if you can see them, but the interior looks pretty good. It's a shame they don't make them with opening parts, or maybe they will make a Solido version, hopefully, in the near future. Tell me in the comments what do you think about the model, and also if you're going to buy it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.